Come on, this is cute. Today we are going to be Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We are taking a classic deer look, adding that little red nose so that we can be festive this holiday season. We're gonna go step by step of how I created this look so that you can be cute as a button too. We're kicking off this look by starting with our brows today. You can do them however you would like. I opted for a deeper brown and more of a bushy shape. Next, with our eye base, we're gonna apply this all over the lid. Moving to our Shape Up palette, I'm actually using an angled brush and one of the darker shades to map out where I want this cut crease to be. I'm layering a lot of browns with this cut crease, so almost every color that exists in the Shape Up palette, my favorite contour complexion palette from Motives, I'm gonna go ahead to make that nice gradient and then cut that crease with the eye base again. And I even layer the lighter shades to emphasize that brow bone at the top there. Before moving into our liquid liner in black, I'm making a nice long wing here and bringing in that inner corner as well to give that nice foxy appearance, going in with more brown eyeshadow or that contour powder under the lower lid and then filling in the gap with a white eyeliner. Now that our eyes are mostly complete, I'm gonna prime my face with my custom BB and CC cream and then use my favorite Flawless foundation sticks that are nice full coverage that'll give me a good contour off the bat. Concealing under the eye using the Ivory Silk. Ivory Rose is more of my skin color, and then going in with Honey, the darker color, to contour up into the hairline. I blend with a brush and then pat down with a blender sponge. I also want to bring this down onto my neck, so I want to contour there. So I just brought that Honey down my neck and across my shoulders. Back to the Shape Up powder, I'm using the lightest color called Irish Cream to just set the concealer under my eyes and along my jawline before dipping into the darker colors of where we're really gonna contour our face today. Contouring in all the normal locations where you would expect contour, just really deepening it. It's a very dramatic contour. Now to contour our nose, a deer or a reindeer in this case, they have a really wide nose. So we want to bring that shading on the outside, but more importantly, look at this light color, how it pops on the bridge of the nose and really widens the bridge of the nose there. Now going in with a red liquid lipstick, I'm actually starting to map in our red nose because yes, we are Rudolph, and then using the liquid black eyeliner again to just map out the snout or the face by just bringing that line down the center and then blacking out the entire top lip. We're gonna make the bottom lip a neutral color so you don't have to touch it. I'm adding some rosiness to the cheeks and then popping off that highlight. Boom. Helping wide the bridge of the nose again with some highlight there before moving into our white dots. I'm kind of strategically placing these where the contour are. It pops off of the deeper brown. I also did some freckles across the nose and then decided to contour a little bit of my collarbones while we were down there as well before adding mascara, adding that neutral lip I mentioned. Popping some highlight on the lip and the tip of the nose, and here we go. Can I just tell you how gosh darn cute I feel? This look is so cute, it's adorable. I've never done like a deer reindeer. I know like the deer thing has been a fad for Halloween for a couple of years now, but I've never hopped on this bandwagon, and gosh darn it, why didn't I do it sooner? Because this is adorable. Wanted to put a little bit of a spin, be a little reindeer. If you have little antlers or get creative and make yourself a headpiece, it's even better. But if not, just give yourself some space buns and you're good to go. I hope I answered all of your questions in this video. If we did not get to it, please leave a comment below. I get back to every single one. I want to make sure everybody feels comfortable and confident when recreating this look if you choose to do so. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I put out 2 new videos a week every Tuesday and Friday, and my social links are down below. So if you try this, tag me. I would love to see your work. You can find links to all the products I used below, including the 3 awesome complexion palettes. The Shape Up was widely featured here, but we used Get Cheeky and That Glow though as well. There's a promo code down there below so that you can get these at a discount, some of my favorites. Check out the list of other things that we have done in the past and see what jives with you. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. I love you, I believe in you, you can do this, I'm proud of you. Mwah! Love you, bye.